Exercise 3B, question number 1C1. State the condition for four numbers A, B, C, D to be proportional. Show that the numbers 2, 3, 9, 10 are not proportional. The conditions for the four numbers A, B, C, D to be proportional is A by B equals to C by D. Okay, this is the condition. Here you see 2 by 3 is not equals to 9 by 10. So these four numbers are not proportional. Okay, question number 2. 2, 9, 6, 3 are not in proportion. Okay, possible proportional sequences are 2, 6, 3, 9, means 2 by 6 equals to 3 by 9. So this is proportional. Similarly 2, 3, 6, 9, 9, 3, 6, 2, these all are in proportion. Okay, question number 2. In the following proportions find the unknown number. N is to 5 equals to 7 is to 15. So n by 5 equals to 7 by 15. No, this 5 and 15, so it will be 5 3 ja 15 and 5 1 ja 5. So ultimately your n is equals to 7 by 3. Here you see 3 is to 4 equals to n is to 10. So 3 by 4 equals to n by 10. So 4n cross multiplication, 4n equals to 10 into 3. So 10 into 3 is 30. So n equals to 30 by 4 equals to 15 by 2. So n equals to 15 by 2 is the answer. 2, 3 is 1 by 2 is equals to n by 12. So 2n, see 2n equals to 12 into 1. So n equals to 12 by 2 equals to 6. 4 by 3 equals to n by 30. So 3n equals to 30 into 4. So n equals to 4 into 30 divided by 3. So 3 and 30, it is 10. So 10 into 4 is your 40. 3 by 13 equals to 6 by n. So 3n equals to 6 into 13. So n equals to 2 into 13, because 6 divided by 3 is 2, no? So into 13, so it is 26. Now question number 3. Apply the concept of proportion to find the price of 16 pence at the rate of rupees 15 for every 4 pence. Means the price of 4 pence is 15. Now let x be the price of 16 pence. Then the proportion will be same, no? That's why x by 16 equals to 15 by 4. 15 is the price and 4 is the number. Here x is the price and 16 is the number. So this proportion must be same. Therefore 4x equals to 15 into 16. So x equals to 15 into 16 divided by 4. 4 4 ja 16. So 4 15 ja 60. So required price is rupees 60. Number 2. If the price of 30 handkerchiefs be x. Oh, okay. The question was to find the value of the price. So let it be x. So x by 30 equals to 8 by 12. You can see the question in the book. So I have done only the solution part. Not the question is not written here. Sorry. So 12x, 12 into x equals to 8 into 30. So after see 8 into 30 divided by 12. No. So here 4 3 ja 12 and 4 2 ja 8, and this 3 10 ja 30. So 10 into 2 is 20. So the required price is rupees 20. Question number 4. The question is in the book. Okay, you can see the book. The number of maths books divided by number of science book equals to number of science book divided by number of Hindi books. So this ratio is same, and given the number of science books 450 and number of Hindi books is 300. So number of maths books will be ultimately 675. Find the fourth proportion to each of the following. Let A be the fourth proportion. Fourth proportion means 3 by 12 equals to 15 by 4. Okay, 15 by A. So the last term means if A by B equals to C by D, then D is called the fourth proportion. Okay. Here the value of A, B, C is given. So you have to find the value of D, no? So here let it be A. It is the formula, and this is called the fourth proportion. Here I have taken A be the fourth proportion. So 3 by 12 equals to 15 by A. So 3A equals to 15 into 12. So A is equals to 15 into 12 divided by 3. So 3 4 ja 12. For 15 into 4 is equals to 60. So the fourth proportion is 60. Similarly, let B be the fourth proportion. So 6 by 12 equals to 14 by B. So 6B equals to 12 into 14. So B is equals to 12 into 14 divided by 6. 6 to the 12, 2 into 14 equals to 28. So fourth proportion is 28. Question number 7C. Let A be the fourth proportion. Similarly, 8 into A equals to 12 into 12. So your 4 2 ja 8 and 4 3 ja. So 2 into 2 6 ja 12. So 6 into 3 18. So required the fourth proportion is 18. 7.2. Find the mean proportional. So mean proportional means let A be the mean proportion between 24 and 6. Then 24 by A equals to A by 6. This is the condition. Okay. Now A square is equals to 6 into 24. So 6 into 24 is your 2 square into 6 square. Okay. So 24 is 4 into 6. 4 is 2 square and 6 into 6 means 6 square. So A is equals to, here it will be plus minus. Okay. Whenever the term is like a square, so you have to write plus minus. So the mean proportion is plus minus 12. Means it can be plus also, it can be minus also. Both are correct. Similarly, 36 and 16 given, you have to find the value of the mean proportion. So let A be the mean proportion. So 36 by A equals to A by 16. So A square equals to 36 into 16, which is nothing but 6 square into 4 square. So A will be equals to plus minus this, plus minus 24. 7.3. Find the third proportion to each of the following, 2 and 8. Let A be the third proportion. Okay, third proportion means 2 by 8 equals to 8 by A. If A is the third proportion between 2 and 8, no, then 2 by 8 is equals to 8 by A. This is the condition. So 2 into A is equals to 8 into 8 means 8 square. So 8 square is your 64 by 2, so 32. So the third proportion is 32. 1 by 3 and 1 by 12. Let A be the third proportion, then 1 by 3 by 1 by 2 equals to, sorry, it will be 12. So 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 12 equals to 1 by 12 divided by A. So it will be 12 divided by 3. 12 will be in the numerator and 3 will be in the denominator. So it is 12 into 12. So it will be 144 equals to 3. So 3 by 144. So it is 48. Yes, so it is 48. 0.1 and 0.01. Let x be the third proportion, then 0.1 divided by 0.01 equals to 0.01 divided by x. So 0.1 into x equals to 0.01 into 0.01. So it is 10 to the power minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. So it is 10 to the power minus 1. X equals to 10 to the power minus 4. So x equals to 10 to the power minus 4 divided by 10 to the power minus 1. So equals to 10 to the power minus 3 means 0.001. Question number 8. Apply the laws of proportion, namely invertendo, componendo and dividendo sequency in the case of the following proportion. See, the proportion is given 2 by 3 equals to 8 by 12. Okay. Now, invertendo means you have to write the reciprocal, means 3 by 2. 2 by 3, no, you write 3 by 2 is equals to 12 by 8. As simple as that. Now, componendo and dividendo is like this. If 2 by 3 equals to 8 by 12 given, now this 2 plus this 3 divided by this 2 minus this 3 must be equals to 8 plus 12 divided by 8 minus 12. This is the condition of the componendo and dividendo. Okay. Now 2 by plus 3 is 5 divided by minus 1 and 8 plus 12 is 20 and this is minus 4. This is the answer. Now similarly 2 is to 3. So 2 by 3 equals to 10 by 15. No. So invertendo will be 3 by 2 equals to 15 by 10. Componendo and dividendo 2 by 3 equals to 10 by 15. This is the question given. Now 2 plus 3 divided by 2 minus 3 equals to 10 plus 15 divided by 10 minus 15. So 5 by minus 1 equals to 25 by minus 5. So this is the answer. Eight is to 3 equals to 16 is to 6. So invertendo will be just reciprocal. It is 3 by 8 equals to 6 by 16. Componendo and dividendo is 8 by 3 plus equals to 16 by 6. No, so 8 plus 3 divided by 8 minus 3. 16 plus 6 divided by 16 minus 6. So it is 11 by 5 equals to 22 by 10. 12 by 3 equals to 4 by 1. So invertendo will be just reciprocal. So 3 by 12 equals to 1 by 4. And componendo dividendo 12 plus 3 divided by 12 minus 3. 4 plus 1 divided by 4 minus 1. So it is 15 by 9, 5 by 3. P plus Q, P minus Q, no. And R plus S, R minus S. So invertendo will be just reciprocal. P minus Q will be in the numerator and P plus Q will be in the denominator. R minus S divided by R plus S. Now P plus Q, P minus Q, P, R plus S, R minus S. So P plus Q plus P minus Q. P plus Q minus P minus Q. R plus S plus R minus S. R plus S minus R minus S in the bracket. So here you see Q get cancelled out, 2P. And here P plus Q minus P minus plus Q. So P get cancelled out, 2Q. So 2P by 2Q equals to 2R by 2S. 2 get cancelled out, P by Q equals to R by S. Now, question number 9. Show that A, B, C, D will proportional if 6A plus 7B, 6C plus 7D, 6A minus 7B and 6C minus 7D are in proportion. Means these are proportion, you have to prove that A, B, C, D will be in the proportion. So you see, these are proportional given. So I can write 6A plus 7B divided by 6C plus 7D equals to 6A minus 7B divided by 6C minus 7D. Now just cross multiply and simplify it. You will get the value like this. Okay, now you see, you will get 84 BC equals to 84 AD. So 84 get cancelled out, BC equals to AD. So BC equals to AD. So can I write A by B equals to C by D? Because BC, if I cross multiply, BC will be equals to AD. So I can write it like A by B equals to C by D. That means what? A, B, C, D are in proportion. If A, B, C, D are in proportional, we can write it like A by B equals to C by D. So this is proved. Similarly, 9 to this one is as it is. Just write it like this and cross multiply. These are in proportion. No, you have to prove that A, B, C, D are in proportion. So these are in proportion. So just cross multiply these two. So you will get the result like this. After this, you will get 12 B square C square equals to 12 A square D square. Okay. So here square is there. So ultimately BC equals to AD. So A by B equals to C by D. That means what? A, B, C, D are in proportion. Question number 10. If A plus B plus C plus D into A minus B minus C plus D equals to A plus B minus C minus D into A minus B plus C minus D, then show that A by B equals to C by D. It is also the same. You have to multiply. I have done the question like this: A plus D plus B plus C, A plus D minus B plus C. Here you see A minus D plus B minus C, A minus D minus B minus C. So it is A plus B into A minus B form. So A square minus B square equals to, it is also A plus B into A minus B form. So A square minus B square. So it is, just write the formula: A square plus D square plus 2AD minus this like this. So after simplification you will get the equation like 4AD equals to 4BC, means AD equals to BC. So A by B equals to C by D. Proved. Question number 11. If A, B, C, D are in proportion, show that this. Okay, so I have taken A by B equals to C by D equals to K. So A will be equals to BK, C will be equals to DK. Now put the value of A and C in the LHS. So you will get the value like B square by D square. Okay, here you see A square is your BK whole square, no, plus BK into B plus B square, DK whole square plus DK into D plus D square. So B square K square plus, so if you take B square common, K square plus K plus 1. If you take D square common, it will be K square plus K plus 1. So it is equals to B square by D square. Similarly, if you take RHS, you will get the same value. RHS, you will get the same value b square by d square. So LHS equals to RHS proved here. Question number 12. If A by B equals to B by C equals to C by D, show that these are also in proportion. So I have taken it equals to K. So A will be equals to BK, B equals to CK, and C equals to DK. So in place of B, just write CK, C will write DK, so it will be DK cube, and B is CK, so DK into K, so DK square, and C is DK. So you see, LHS is A by D, so A by D means DK cube by D, so it is K cube, and RHS is A minus B cube by B minus C cube, so it is equals to A is DK cube minus DK square minus DK cube. So ultimately you will get K to the power 3. So LHS equals to RHS. Question number 13. If A by B equals to 1 by 2, B is to C equals to 3 is to 4, C is to D is equals to 7 is to 6, then you have to find all these values. So you see here, given A by B equals to 1 by 2, no, B by C is 3 by 4, so you have to find A is to B is to C. So here you see, it is B, it is also B, so you have to make this term and this term same. So that's why here 3 and here 2, no, so I have multiplied this with 3, and at the same time you have to multiply the numerator with also 3. So 3 by 3, 3 2 just 6, and 3 1 just 3. Here you see it is 3, and here it is 6, no, here B is 6, so you have to make this B also 6, so you have to multiply it with 2. So 3 into 2 is 6, 4 into 2 is equal 8. So A by B you got 3 by 6, and B by C you got 6 by 8. So A is to B is to C is equals to 3 is to 6 is to 8, like this. Now you see, you have to find A is to B is to D. A is to B is to D, you have to find. So B by C is 3 by 4, and C by D is given 7 by 6. So B by C into C by D is equals to 3 by 4 into 7 by 6. So CC gets cancelled out. B by D is equals to 7 by 8. And A by B given 1 by 2. B by D we got 7 by 8. Now you see, here your B is 7 and here is B is a 2. So make it 14. So multiply it with 7. 7 2 ja 14 and 7 1 ja 7. Here you multiply it with 2, you will get 14. So 14 we got, no, 7 into 2 is 14, 8 into 2 is 16. So here A by B is 7 by 14, B by D is equals to 14 by 16. So 7 is to 14 is to 16. So this is the answer. Given A by B equals to half, B by C equals to 3 by 4. So you have to find A is to C is to D. So you see, A by B into B by C, B get cancelled out, 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. So it is A by C is equals to, this B get cancelled out, A by C, no, and 3 and 4 to ja 8. So A by C is equals to 3 by 8, and C by D is given 7 by 6. So you have to make this same term. So here 8, here 7. So multiply it with 7, 7 8 ja 56. So you have to multiply the numerator also. 7 3 ja 21. Here you have to multiply it with 8, 7 8 ja 56, and 6 8 ja 48. So A by C is 21 by 56, C by D is 56 by 48. So A is to C is to D will be 21 is to 56 is to 48. Given B by C is equals to 3 by 4 and C by D equals to 7 by 6. So B by C equals to 3 by 4 into 7. Okay, here C 7, no, here C 4. So just multiply it with 7, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28. Here 7 by 6, 7 you have to multiply it with 4. So 4, 28, 24. So B is to C is to D is your 21 is to 28 is to 24. Now you see, A by B is 1 by 2, B by C is 3 by 4, and C by D is equals to 7 by 6. So A by B is equals to 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2 into 21. So it is 21 by 42. B by C is here 3 by 4. 3 by 4 into 14 into 14. So it is 42 by 56. 7 by 6 equals to 7 into 8. 6 into 8. So it is 56 by 48. So A is to B is to C is to D will be equals to 21 is to 42. 42, it is to 56, it is to 48. This is the answer. Now b square is to d square, so b by c equals to 3 by 4, c by d equals to 7 by 6. So b by c into c by d equals to 3 by 4 into 7 by 6. C get cancelled out. B by d is equals to your 3 into 7 into 4 into 6. So 3 to just 6, 2 4 ja 8, 7. So b by d is 7 by 8. So just squaring both sides, we will get 49 by 49 is by 64, means 49 is to 64. Now you see, b by c is 3 is to into 7, 4 is to 4 into 7, so it is 21 by 28. This just multiplied with 4, 28 by 24. So that there c is 28, here c also 28. So ultimately b is to c is to d is your 21 is to 28 is to 24. So 1 by b is to 1 by c is to 1 by d will be equals to 1 by 21 is to 1 by 20 is to 1 by 24. Question number 14. Ratios of the present ages of Aditya, Puneet and Shonit are as follows. The ratio given: among these three, who is the youngest and who is the oldest? If Aditya's age is 12 years, find the ages of Puneet and Shonit. So Aditya's age is given 12 years. Okay, so put this in this equation. Here it is. So it is 12. So Shonit's age will be 7 into 12 divided by 5. It is 84 by 5. And Puneet's age will be, Puneet into 2 equals to 12 into 3. So it is 18 years. Question number 15. Evaluate x is to y is to z if this given. So this is the equation: 3x minus 4y plus 7z equals to 0. It is 2x minus y minus 2z equals to 0. So now you see, I have multiplied this equation 1 with 1. It is 3x minus 4y plus 7z equals to 0. And this equation with 4. So it is 8x minus 4y minus 8z equals to 0. So ultimately, if I subtract this to this get cancelled out. Minus 5x plus 15z equals to 0. So 5x equals to 15z. So x equals to 3z, means x by 3 equals to z by 1. Similarly, multiply the equation 1 with 2, you will get this equation. Multiply the equation number 2 with 7, you will get this equation. From here you will subtract this z term. So you will get x equals to 3 by 4y. So x by 3 equals to y by 4. Now here say x by 3 equals to z by 1. So I can write x by 3 equals to y by 4 equals to z by 1, means x is to y is to z equals to 3 is to 4 is to 1.